Blogging is alive and thriving in 2025. If you've ever wondered how to turn your blog into a profitable venture, you're in the right place. Whether you're just starting out or looking to boost your earnings, this guide is packed with actionable strategies to help you monetize your blog effectively. Stay tuned because halfway through this video, we'll reveal a surprising new monetization trend that's transforming the blogging world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more content that helps you achieve online success. 1. Choose a profitable niche. The first step to successful blogging is picking a niche that's both profitable and aligns with your interests. In 2025, niches like personal finance, health and wellness, sustainable living, and tech reviews are booming. To stand out, dive deep into your chosen niche and address specific pain points. For example, instead of blogging about general fitness, focus on fitness for busy professionals or fitness post-pregnancy. A profitable niche attracts a dedicated audience that's more likely to engage with your content and invest in your recommendations. Your niche should also have monetization potential. Research affiliate programs, digital products or services related to your niche. Use tools like Google Trends and keyword research platforms to identify topics with high demand and low competition. The more targeted and unique your niche, the easier it will be to build authority and monetize your blog effectively. 2. Build an engaged audience. A profitable blog isn't just about traffic, it's about having an engaged audience. Focus on creating high-quality, valuable content that resonates with your readers. Post consistently and interact with your audience through comments, emails, and social media. Use analytics tools to track your most popular posts and replicate their success. Building an email list is crucial in 2025. Platforms like ConvertKit and MailChimp allow you to stay connected with your readers and share exclusive content or offers. Engage your subscribers with personalized emails that provide value, whether it's tips, updates, or product recommendations. An engaged audience is more likely to trust your recommendations. Click on your affiliate links and purchase your products. 3. Master affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing remains one of the most popular and lucrative ways to make money blogging. Join affiliate programs relevant to your niche, such as Amazon Associates, ShareASL, or niche-specific programs like those for travel gear or health supplements. Promote products you genuinely believe in, and write in-depth reviews or tutorials showcasing their value. The key to affiliate marketing in 2025 is authenticity. Your audience can spot insincere promotions a mile away. Be transparent about your affiliations and focus on building trust. Use tracking tools to analyze which links perform best and optimize your strategies accordingly. High-ticket affiliate programs, offering significant commissions, are a great way to maximize earnings without overwhelming your blog with ads. 4. Create and sell digital products. Digital products offer unlimited earning potential with minimal overhead costs. Examples include ebooks, online courses, printables, and exclusive guides. Identify common problems your audience faces and create solutions in the form of digital products. Platforms like Teachable, Gumroad, and Shopify make it easy to sell your products online. Ensure your products are well-designed and packed with value. Promote them through your blog, email list, and social media channels. In 2025, bundling products into value-packed packages has become a popular way to attract buyers and increase revenue. 5. Leverage sponsored content. Sponsored content is a powerful way to monetize your blog while collaborating with brands. Companies are always looking for influencers and bloggers to promote their products or services. Reach out to brands in your niche or join platforms like Aspire IQ and IZEA to connect with potential sponsors. When creating sponsored content, maintain your authentic voice and ensure the product aligns with your audience's interests. Sponsored posts, product reviews, and social media shoutouts are common formats. Be transparent about sponsorships to maintain trust with your audience, and always disclose partnerships as per FTC guidelines. 6. Offer premium memberships or content. Premium memberships provide exclusive value to your most dedicated readers. In 2025, platforms like Patreon and Buy Me a Coffee are popular for offering paid memberships. Provide members with perks such as ad-free content, behind-the-scenes access, or exclusive articles. Creating a premium content strategy involves understanding your audience's needs and delivering content they can't find elsewhere. This could include webinars, Q&A sessions, or early access to new products. Offering different membership tiers allows you to cater to varying budgets while maximizing your earnings. 7. Monetize with display ads. While display ads aren't as lucrative as some other methods, they're a great way to generate passive income, especially for blogs with high traffic. In 2025, ad networks like Google AdSense, MediaVine, and AdThrive continue to dominate. To maximize ad revenue, focus on optimizing your blog's user experience. Avoid overloading your site with ads, as this can deter readers. Use /B testing to find the best ad placements and formats for your audience. While display ads may not be your primary income source, they're a reliable way to supplement your earnings. 8. Diversify your income streams. Relying on a single monetization method can be risky. Diversify your income streams by combining multiple strategies, such as affiliate marketing, digital products, and sponsored content. Experiment with new opportunities, like hosting paid webinars or offering consulting services. Diversification not only increases your earning potential, but also provides stability in case one income source fluctuates. Regularly evaluate your strategies and adapt to industry trends to stay ahead of the curve. A diversified approach ensures your blog remains profitable and resilient in the ever-changing online landscape. 9. Stay ahead of trends. The blogging landscape evolves rapidly, and staying ahead of trends is crucial for long-term success. In 2025, video content, AI-powered tools, and niche-specific communities are shaping the industry. Embrace these trends by integrating video tutorials, using AI to streamline your workflow, and fostering a sense of community among your readers. Regularly update your knowledge by following industry blogs, attending webinars, and networking with other bloggers. Staying informed allows you to adapt your strategies and maintain a competitive edge. The more you innovate, the more opportunities you'll have to monetize your blog effectively. 10. Focus on long-term growth. Building a profitable blog is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on long-term growth by consistently creating valuable content, nurturing your audience, and refining your monetization strategies. Invest in tools and resources that improve your blog's quality and efficiency. Set realistic goals and track your progress regularly. Celebrate small wins, but keep your eyes on the bigger picture. With dedication, adaptability, and a clear strategy, you can turn your blog into a sustainable source of income that thrives in 2025 and beyond. Blogging in 2025 is full of opportunities for those willing to put in the effort and stay adaptable. By choosing the right strategies and focusing on your audience's needs, you can build a profitable and fulfilling online business. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more tips on making money online. Start applying these strategies today and watch your blogging income soar.